The 2025 Chevrolet Corvette ZR1 stands as the most powerful V8 American production car ever created. This vehicle is equipped with a twin turbocharged 5.5-liter flat plane crank V8 engine, producing an astounding 1,064 horsepower and 828 pound-feet of torque with a redline set at 8,000 revolutions per minute. The ZR1 can exceed speeds of 215 miles per hour and complete a quarter mile in under 10 seconds. With the ZTK package, it achieves over 1,200 pounds of downforce, making it an impressive performance machine. The ZR1 has always been a powerhouse in the Corvette lineup, and the 2025 model is no exception. This iteration is the first Corvette to surpass 1,000 horsepower. The LT7 engine features a uniquely machined block, new forged pistons, all new heads, and a different crankshaft, contributing to a much lower compression ratio of 9.8 to 1 compared to the LT6's 12.5 to 1. The twin ball-bearing turbochargers, mirror images of each other, are equipped with single-scroll volutes on the intake side and 76mm compressor wheels. Electronic wastegates allow precise tuning to prevent turbo lag, and the turbines are made from a material called MAR, which surpasses Inconel in performance. Power is transferred through a strengthened and retuned 8-speed dual-clutch transmission found in all other C8 Corvettes. The ZR1 suspension shares similarities with lesser C8 models, but is enhanced with the ZTK package, which includes a large rear wing, front dive planes, and a gurney lip on the hood. The package also features stiffer springs and Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2R tires. Despite its advanced features, the ZR1 maintains a relatively light weight, with the coupe version having a dry weight of 3,670 pounds and the convertible at 3,758 pounds. This lightness, combined with its power, results in a better power-to-weight ratio than the Bugatti Veyron. The 2025 Corvette ZR1 is expected to be the most expensive Corvette yet, potentially costing around $150,000. While the exact price remains unknown, it is certain that this ZR1 is a remarkable achievement in automotive engineering, setting new standards for American performance cars.